This one is for shampoo. So they're buying something. I don't know what they want.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So Maika is picking a backpack for her school. Number 7 and number 11. What did you buy? Na dito. Consolation prize. Yay! Both of you have 500 pesos. Yay! 500! Some of the viewers think that Bulo is a girl in the video, but so they both have 500 pesos.
Thank you.
Good morning, guys. So we are going to Gaisano today, and then I'm going to Watson's also because there's a Watson's in Gaisano and it's opening today. So I brought some of the contestants from the contest that we did last Christmas Eve. So they're gonna buy something at the Gaisano from their consolation prize. Because each of the contestants got a gift from someone. You know who you are. Thank you so much. First time mo sa Gaisano, Maika? Awa pa rin ka kanto? Escalator ta, Maika! So we're gonna tour Maika because it's Maika first time in Gaisano. You know the number 12. Yeah, Nanay Watson's Pia. This one is for shampoo. Hold it one. We're going to buy that one. Kanya akong unitan, be.
Akong bulit.
Heavy man na. Are you sure? Heavy. What's heavy gani?
687.75.
Para ni siya sa raffle?
Yes.
Lala,
Ito sa vlog ni Mom.
Hi.
Sa kuha?
Yes, Mom. Di ba, friend na, ay, kailan mo na rin?
Yes.
O sige, introduce mo na sa mga.
Okay. Nadugay ko man kay dagan kay
Ganyan.
transaction ganina oy. Okay. Ay, oops. Dayon.
Kung sa sunod mo, ano madami. Watson's Dental Floss. Thank you for shopping, Mom.
Thank you.
Balik-balik.
Na makita ka. So we are here at Gaisano, but you can't hear me because I'm very noisy. So one of the contestants is Maika. I'm going to give Maika her 500. And then, yeah. So number 12 is Maika, and then Rian is number 3. Wala din. Nagbalas mo mama. Ha? Nagbalas mo mama. Pia. Ay. Pia.
Ipalit si mama ako 500.
What did you buy, Rian? Buko. What did you buy, Pia? Tubig? So they're buying something. I don't know what they want. Saman! Tarong mo ba? So Rian is gonna buy a backpack, shoulder bag for her prize for the contest. Puppet bag. Ikaw, natagana takawa pa no? Wala pa. one of the contestants, Lizelle, the number 6. So this is your prize.
Thank you very
500
much.
pesos.
Thank you very much. More now.
So Maika is picking a backpack for her school. So that was she bought for her consolation prize. Okay, so they're happy now. So the next contestant, the price for mom and dad is 1,000 pesos. Number 7 and number 11. Yay! Mondragon is coming. Karina's coming.
Money din lang.
Ha? Di ka mag-pay? Bayad adto.
Let's go.
The sister also, that's what they buy for their... Ay, buing na pa man din eh. Ikaw, Mai. What did you buy? Ah, na dito. Okay. Oh, yan. Yan na. Hello, guys. So, right now, we are done with shopping at Watson's. So, Watson's gave me this gift set. And this is heavy. So, I'm going to show you what they gave to me. And I'm so happy also, guys, that they have already Watson's in Tubod, because you know, when I go to Gaisano, I always think that hopefully that they have Watson's in Gaisano, because you don't need to go to Kapatagan or Ozamis. So I'm happy that we have Watson's in Tubod. Then hand wash. Yes. And these are the things that I bought. And I do like the vitamins in, or the medicines in Watson's compared to other, you know, like you bought online some gummy bears or something like that. So I trust more Watson's product for that. Yes. I'm really happy there's Watson's in Tubod, guys. They gave me vitamin C for 100 tablets. And this is the one that I usually use for shower, guys. When I don't have any more bath soap, I go to Uzami City, or before that there's no Watson's in Kapatagan, I go to Uzami's to buy for the buy one take one for the body wash. So right now I don't need to go more farther. Yay! I'm so happy there's Watson's. Also bought my lipstick in there, as you can see that I'm wearing right now. I bought also this one at Watson's a few weeks ago in Kapatagan, because they're not open yet in Tubod. Thank you so much, Watson's, for this beautiful gift set. Bye guys! And these are the items Watson's gift set. Wow, cream body wash, hand wash, ascorbic acid, hair spa. This is what I usually use for shower. And this is what I bought at Watson's. This is vitamins for Sophia. These are the items that Watson's gave to me. I like this one because this is what I usually use for shower. So our contestant number 8, Kokoy. So this is your consolation prize. Yay! Yay! So this is what I bought for New Year. You open
Year na food, mami?
Huh?
New Year?
Yes, New Year. What's that? Ay! Ayaw tatug yung grapes. What's that gani?
Sino ko sa inside lagi? Mami, sino ko? Yay!
What's that? tomato. Sakto. Kanang isa?
Spaghetti.
What?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Oh, very good.
Put it back.
Okay, that's all?
Bangkon sa tapioca.
Oh. Okay, that's all. Yay. Keep it there.
Wine.
Okay, so this is the mother of Angel, which is the contestant number 4. And this is number 15, Auntie Emily Jane. Yes, so both of you have 500 pesos. Yay! Okay, so Romeo, number 17.
Number 17. Bago kayo, bago kayo.
500.
Salamat, thank you.
Ay, bulo, number 5 ka, no? Tingin sila, mura daw kang babae. So this is bulo, the number 5, which is some of the viewers think that bulo is a girl in the video, but bulo is a male, guys. So that's for you, 500 pesos.
Thank you.
Yay! Number 14, and then si Inday, number 13. And then Inday, her granddaughter, Apo, is number 13. So, they both have 500 pesos.
Thank you.
Pero nagyado siya dito sa balay na nakakuhaan siya. Contestant number 16. There's your 500 pesos.
Yes! Palag pa, wala.
Sa yung palitan na. Ha? Ah, bayok. Cellphone. Nadaday ka cellphone. Oh. Sige, open.
I have ice cream.
Yay! What's
Banana.
Yeah, your snacks, Manisupian. Oh, that's mine.
My Milo.
Yes, your Milo.
What's this?
Your breadstick. That's
yes.
bread. You like this one?
Yes. My cereal. So
Yeah.
bad.
So many.
Blood.
Blood.
Blood. You put it my juice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, my love.
Juice. My favorite.
Wow, your favorite? That's not yours.
Plus for my tummy.
That's
my-
my tummy.
For my candy tummy. For my
For my face.
yes. For chocolate.
Yes, this is for cockroach.
Dagan kaya.
Yes, what's this one?
Gatas.
Who's this gatas?
For me.
Yes.
For my pampers.
Yes. By the way, guys, she's not wearing pampers during the day, so she's wearing pampers during the night. At night when she
Ay,
sleeps.
kuha na ko.
Sa mani? Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Yeah, that's your oatmeal, darling.
What? My oatmeal?
Yes. No more. This is noodles.
Mommy for mommy.
For mommy?
Yeah, it's for you.
Yeah.
Noodles.
Noodles. Sardines. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone.